Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the icebox front cover in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. For easier access, you should remove the upper left shelf. You can use a putty knife or a flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs to release the old front cover. Disconnect the wire connector to fully remove. Install the new icebox front cover by first connecting the wire connector. Then align the top edge and snap the cover into place. Replace the upper shelf if applicable. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.